This is a better direction. Sun in space. The sun is kissing me. Anyway, I want to talk about the ice skating Hartford Winterfest over in Bushy Park. It's free. They give you free skates. So you can bring your own. They have a QR code that you need to download or upload. I think you can do it before you enter the place, or if you enter the place, you can do it when you're about to get your skates. It's going to take a couple minutes. You need an email address because what they're going to do is make you sign a waiver saying that if you bust your ass and break your hip, it's not our fault. So you gotta sign a waiver before you get their skates, and they're gonna give you a little wristband. You know, like when you go to the club, get your little wristband put on. They're gonna give you a wristband. And they're gonna give you some skates, and they got lockers to put your shoes in, but I don't put my shoes up. It's wasn't old ass shoes. Put them under the table, and nobody ain't really up with nobody's shoes. Then you need to have on like mittens or gloves. I wear gloves. Because if you fall, they don't necessarily want you touching the ice. And you need to get up. And of course, you got to push down on the ice to get up. Like I said, it's free. I learned how to do it the same day I went. I looked at some YouTube videos, 2 YouTube videos that showed me how to walk. They showed me how to walk on ice. They showed me that you gotta like march, just one foot in front of the other, march, and you'll get it. Then you start coasting a little bit, and you get the hang of it. Like I said, I never skated in my life. This is my first time the other day. I wasn't a pro at it, but I'm getting there. I should have went today. I could have went today. Oh, speaking of times to go, best time to go is in the day. Like right now when nobody's there. Because I did go a second time, but we went like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening on a Saturday, and it was packed. So we didn't even skate. So remember I told somebody that I'll take video when I go at night. But I went, but it was too packed. The people with me wasn't really interested because they were beginners as well. And I told them you can't teach nobody with a whole bunch of people sitting around. So we chilled out around the bush, for a few. And then we headed back home. But yeah, I think it goes through January 4th or something like that. Hartford Winterfest, Google it, you'll see it. Hartford Winterfest, ice skating, it's like from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. I think they got like an intermission at 6 o'clock where they straighten up the ice a little bit. Because a lot of skating and they gotta smooth the ice back out or whatever. But it's free. Right in Bushingham Park, you can street parking. Even the parking was crazy that night. Daytime, I normally walk like I'm doing right now, so I don't have to worry about parking when I go. Like if I went right now, but at night, I don't walk at night. Or I'm with somebody else and they may not walk. So, see the tower? See the tower? Can I see the other thing down there? I think that's it. I can't really see. But yeah, get outside, go to that event. It's not bad. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah. I'm recording live, got you on tape. what's
How you
going on?
doing?
I can't complain. I was just down there with Eugene.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of cold out here. Why
No,
you
it
ain't
was
go?
nice, but I just got some things to handle because I'm supposed to be moving, so
Okay.
I gotta handle. And I was like, man, it's so nice out. I could
Yeah.
be down, but
They got your
hey,
spot blocked out. They doing construction down there. I sent you a
where,
video. I don't know if you caught it yet.
where?
On the street, but I think it's over. It was like a little day thing or whatever.
Okay.
Right in your spot. I sent it to you on your page.
Oh,
You'll
they
see
trying
it.
to get rid of it.
I know. That's what I said. You gotta find a new spot. They remodeling. All right. Um. Anyway, yeah. Where was I at? Ice skating. Yeah. Get outside, enjoy it, learn it. Especially my Hartford people. Man, this is our stuff. Right here in your backyard, free. You say you ain't got nothing to do. Learn how to ice skate. Find a new hobby. Something different. Um, but other than that, yes, Oh, and I forgot the young lady that be asking about the perfumes and the oils and stuff. That is the guy that I was just talking to 30 seconds ago. He is the oil guy. That's what I tell him. Oh, they got your spot blocked off. Because they are doing construction down there. Uh, anyway, get down to the Winterfest, Hartford Winterfest, put on some free skates. I think you might want to double your socks. I kind of, I think I got my right size, but I didn't lace them up right, so they was kind of wobbly. And I said, "Oh, I'm doing this wrong. I gotta tighten them up a little bit tighter." Because I've never been in ice skate, so I didn't know how they fit. The size was right, but you need your toes to be able to move and your ankles kind of be able to move or whatever. I think a second pair of socks would have been good because those skates are hard. They not easy on your feet. But this year, of course, it's probably going to pass me by with the ice skating. But definitely, it's something to look forward to next year. After I learn a little bit more about it, I should be good. But anyway, like I said, get down there, enjoy everything that the city has to offer, learn how to skate. Once again, everything is free. After 6 p.m., it's free parking downtown. You don't have to worry about paying. Just got to find you a spot. And they also got garages that you could park in. Um, and on the weekend, it's free. It's free parking on the weekends. Like I said, I went there on a Saturday afternoon, and it wasn't bad. It was a lot of kids and a lot of teenagers. Um, and everybody was kind of trying to learn how to skate. But then when we went back at night, it's like people was going there to go on dates, like romantic. People wanted to be romantic. They wanted to skate under the lights or try to skate under the lights. The crowd that night, that wouldn't have been a good learning experience for anybody, I don't think. Because everybody would have been against the wall, holding on, and you wouldn't have got nothing done. Go on a daytime, even if it's on a Saturday. I think they open on Sunday. On a Saturday, just go early. Because going at night on a weekend is not a good look. Button. Yeah. Well, I can walk. Anyway, crossing the street. Crossing the street. I will holla at you guys later. Get downtown and put on some skates. Peace.